Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this set of half-dozen cupcakes with buttercream, rosettes, and ruffles in a rainbow progression of colors. I started with the 1M open star tip for the rosettes in each of the 6 colors. I happen to have 6 of them, luckily for each bag, but you could certainly get by with 1 or 2 and changing them up with couplers in the bags as well. On these cupcakes, I wanted to leave space for some ruffles around the edge of the rosette, so I started near the edge rather than in the center, piped a little buttercream to attach it to the cupcake, and then continued around the rosette 1 time, repeating this in each of the 6 colors. I next used a 103 petal tip to pipe the ruffles around the rosettes. I do also happen to have plenty of these for each color, but again, you could certainly get by with 1 or 2 and a set of couplers. With the wide end of the tip down onto the cupcake, pipe ruffles back and forth around the rosette, leaving space for a second ruffle as well. I used the rainbow progression of colors to determine which color was next: red, orange, yellow, next cupcake, orange, yellow, green, followed by yellow, green, blue, and so on. I then added a really fun sprinkle mix that I have to it. It had each of the colors of the rainbow that we used, as well as white and pink. Thank you so much for watching this one. I really enjoy sharing new cupcake designs I come up with. Please don't forget to subscribe.